night before she couldn't sleep. She made a rough sea of the sheets, her body sometimes a boat, sometimes a fish. The moon regards her through the glass window, gazing at her wrinkled body, crooning the poetry of her youth, so that perhaps, who knows, she might feel drowsy. But she cannot sleep. In the sea with her, the shadow of a younger man has entered, a seaman dispersed throughout the oceans in the prime of life. The shadows spread over her, wrapped under. With a full-blown wind propelling him, he sails, and she catches her breath, till at last, with a furtive glance, she notices that the moon is gone. It's dawned at last, and she leaves the sea behind to dress herself. Before the mirror, she grows older and lovelier. Her pencil draws two serpents under her eyes, a bright red stick on her lips, through which in a short time her tongue will dart and leave behind the sweet taste of poison.